How to cancel your YouTube TV subscription. Now this process is going to be the same method if you're going to be using it from the application on your phone. So, so of course the first thing that you want to do is to access the app from the application or from the web browser. So just head directly to tv.youtube.com, and of course you have to log in to your account. And once you've successfully logged in, just head directly to your account tab or through your account settings, and in there is going to be a subscription tab that you can choose for an option. Simply click or tap on the subscription tab, and in there you just have to go all the way down to the bottom of your current plan and then just head over straight to cancel subscription. And once you tap on cancel, you should be able to receive a confirmation if you would really like to cancel your current subscription. And that's it. That's how you cancel your YouTube TV subscription.